Ano sabi mo?
Nalulula na ako, lasing na ako, pero alam mo pa ginagawa ko, men.
Putang ina mo, April ang ingay mo. So, if you would like to lend your ears for a moment so we can have a little message from her
Okay,
girlfriend.
I love you, Daniel.
Okay.
Video mo.
Vincent.
Message, pang mo.
Ha?
Oy, message.
Patay.
Laksa natin, paano tulog?
Mas ka lang.
I'm not gonna use the microphone though.
Ay? Wala.
Kaya
Hindi pwede yan, dapat i-message mo.
mamaya pag-check out natin, mag-check-in tayo ulit.
Nasabi na.
Dalawa lang.
Kapon lang.
Alas ka drop na yan.
Yung may message mo.
Paano ka lang dyan?
Vincent.
Sige. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please be quiet.
Guys, party. It's hard for me to speak. No, si Charles.
Gente, tumingin lang ang kain mo.
Oh,
Okay.
you're taking a break. Dapat ako na lang yung last. Dapat each one
No,
of you.
girl, huwag ka lang nag-inarte kasi naiinis na ako ng cold. Mag-message ka na lang, girl.
Nakakaiya eh.
Sige na, girl. Message mo na for Chester na alis ng Pilipinas.
Ano?
Oo, alam niyo na
Ano mo,
yun
Jess?
eh.
Mamimiss ka namin.
Tayo na mo,
Okay,
Jason!
wait! What?
Kaya mo!
Tayo na, mamimiss ko kayo lahat.
Tayo na mo,
You're a bitch! You're a bitch!
No, wait, guys.
Huwag mo
Isa na,
lagi security.
Who's the bitch?
wait, isa na naman
Linger.
sasabihin ko kay Chess eh.
O, yan, makinig kayo.
I'm gonna miss him really bad. I'm gonna miss him.
Ayaw, ang ingay nila.
Putang ina! Ay na nga! Ay nyo naman eh!
Sige, pag yan, stroke na yan. Sige ka.
Uy!
No, baka matuluyan ako dito ah. Ang hirap na nga magsalita man eh.
O, sige.
No, I'm gonna...
Sign language na
Oh,
lang.
sige.
Mayroon pa naman.
O, sige, girl. Okay, go.
I just wanna say, thank you for everything.
I love you, Jess!
Salamat din.
You're such a dick!
Thank you, friend. Thank you, friend. But I'm gonna miss this guy with all
Di ba ako lasing?
my heart.
Oh.
We love you too, Jess.
Love you all.
Uy!
Yun lang pa.
Pag yung security, sakit ko sasakit.
Dennis Dion.
Kuya Dennis. Den.
Hi.
What's the problem?
Dennis here?
Yeah. Go on, Dennis.
Den.
You're Dennis?
Yeah.
We're here to evacuate the room. You can stay in effort. Everybody else has to leave. We came up 10 minutes ago, not even 10 minutes ago. Too good for that.
Come on, Pop.
On both sides. Yeah, 5 minutes. Hold on, you gotta go. That's coming from the management.
To have a good time daw, sabi.
You guys have been 18, 17,
Well, it's like, well, we can just leave it.
Yeah, di ka na.
Just waking up all the
Ano ba, bakit dito tayo nilagay? Ha?
Sabi mo ba na may party? So, kailangan.
then they'll wait for
Saan na namin siya nga? Sabihin mo. Ha? Sabihin mo.